Well, here we are, week 7, last week of the class, and I hope you've had a wonderful semester. I hope that the class has been interesting and informative and fun. I know you've been working hard, so congratulations on making it to this point. And so now we just have to finish strong. So this week we're concerned with writing up your results. And we'll talk about some different topics, including a little bit of statistical analysis that will help you interpret your results and transform that raw data to actionable business intelligence. So one topic included here at the end is how to manage the raw data and transform it into data that is ready to be analyzed. So by now you've got your qualitative and your quantitative data. Maybe you've already started doing some analysis on those data, but this chapter has to do with the cleaning up of the data, what to do when you have errors or omissions. We're going to talk some about coding qualitative data and how to represent data in a data file, and using dummy variables as a way of coding structured responses. So chapter 19 is about kind of cleaning up the data and getting it ready to analyze. 20 then is about doing some basic analysis. And again here, as with the sampling chapter, this is not advanced at all in terms of the statistics involved. We're just talking about the basic descriptive statistics that can be calculated in Excel and other packages. So we're going to talk about what descriptive statistics are and how they are used. We're going to talk about how tabling, creating tables and crosstabs can reveal relationships in the data, and how to perform some data transformations to do something to the data in order to make it more useful. We're going to talk about communicating results in a research report. So we're going to talk about how the communication process works and how the research report can execute that communication process. We're going to talk about the format that those research reports typically follow. We're going to explain how tables can be used and other visual aids can be used to communicate data more effectively, or communicate findings and information, I should say, more effectively, and thereby help create business intelligence. It's not listed here, but you also have a resource online that is an ebook that is all about good writing, good research writing. It was prepared by a couple of professors at Georgia State, one of whom is a friend of mine and was my dissertation chair, and I think it can be a very valuable resource for you as you write up your report this week. So due dates are as normal as you see, but the big assignment, the final research report, is due on day 7. The 10-point research deliverable this week is actually a presentation of your executive summary. So you'll see a brief write-up of what I'm looking for there, but basically, something that you might use to present your brief findings, summarizing the summary in essence, in a meeting or to an executive or something like that. So it should only be a few slides, and you aren't actually going to present it here in this class, but I do want you to turn those slides in, because part of what you'll learn in the last chapter is how to make effective oral presentations. So here we are, signing off for the last time. I hope that this week is a good one, and I hope that you've enjoyed this class. And I'm sure that we have both learned something along the way as we've traveled down this path of business intelligence. So good luck, and as always, let me know if I can help in any way.